So to start out, we're going to use one of this. We got two 10 feet pieces of 1-inch PVC, and then we bought 6 1-inch tees, and then I couldn't find any just normal plugs, so we got a 1-inch slip joint threaded coupler, and then a threaded 1/2-inch plug. So to start out, we're going to take one of these 10-foot poles and cut it at 5 feet. Alright, so we're going to take the tees, we're going to put one of the 10-inch ones on both sides, and then you take a 5-inch one, and you put another tee, and another 5-inch, and then the third tee with 2 more 10-inch. And there is your one base, and then that's where you take, we're going to take this, place it on here, and that goes in there.
That's easy.
Yep. So, the only other thing we really need to do is we got to cut a small piece of flat board to screw onto this cap. So let's assemble this other one, and then we can get this moved out of the way. Here, you want to do it? Yep, 5-inch. No, 5-inch.
She said, okay, we will be by in a bit.
Tell them to come to the alley.
No.
Yeah.
Waka! Look, it's as tall as me.
Yeah, 5 feet. 5'2". What are you for?
5'2".
So now the only thing left to do is to cut our piece of wood to put onto here. Alright, so I found this scrap piece of plywood, 1/2 inch or so. It's a little over 4 inches. So I'm just going to measure out 4 inches here, and we'll cut us kind of a little square. So, there is the completed Polish game. You can see the tops there. So all you do is whatever bottle or something you put, you just place it on there. And we'll get them out here outside and we'll kind of show y'all how the game is played. Ah. 3 points for me. Thanks. And it'll be more fun when it's it'll be more fun when it's as far as it needs to be. And you have more time to react. You crossed the plane. You caught the frisbee. You're not gonna crack it? Not everybody's made for Polish. So, anyways, thanks for watching. This is a game called Polish or Frisknock or Beersbe, I don't know. But we're gonna have fun. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us or like this video, and follow us on Instagram at RotoCityTech. Thanks for watching.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine.